Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can enable parental controls on Likee. So let's get started. Firstly, open Likee app in a device, then tap on three lines icon, next tap on parental controls, then tap on enable, then set password of your choice. Next confirm your password. So this is how you can enable parental controls on Likee. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.